Why don't your calls work? You keep calling, but nothing happens. You talk, you pitch, and still no results. Ever felt that? You start thinking, maybe my product's bad? Maybe I'm doing something wrong. But here's the truth. It's not you. It's just the rule of 1/3. 1/3 of clients will never be interested. And that's okay. Another third might show some interest later. And only 1/3 are ready to talk. Right now, they're your most likely future buyers. So, stop chasing the wrong third. Your job is to find your third, the ones who are ready, open, and interested. That's where your time, your money, and your bonus really come from. And that's why you should never feel upset when 2/3 of people don't want to talk to you. It's normal, it happens to everyone. So, there's no reason to be disappointed. It just means you're getting closer to your third. And now, your sales magic word for today. I choose the right third. Want more smart rules that actually help you sell? Subscribe for daily B2B sales tips. And remember, your sales magic word for today is I choose the right third.